silent banners rust. Borders burned where order fell. Canaan rebuilt the forts, went pale, then rose a king from warrior blood, son of Ramesses, servant of God. Libyans crossed the western line, Yenoam tribes in raid and crime. Seti marched with shielded host, drove them back to desert coast. Chariots rolled through burning sand, the west was sealed by Pharaoh's hand. Ranks reformed, command restored, drill and discipline sharpened the sword. Not priests alone, but soldiers led by a king who fought at the front instead. Seti I, war reborn, Egypt reclaimed by iron and storm. From delta fields to Sinai's plain, blood and bronze restored her name. Not chaos, not fear, not broken reign, but empire forged in spear and chain. Through Sinai's passes, fort by fort, he crushed the Shasu, broke their core. Well secured, roads controlled, each stronghold taken, rebuilt or sold. The ways of Horus cleared for war, Asia opened once more. Gaza fell to Pharaoh's might, Ashkelon burned in siege and fight. Yenoam shattered, Beth-Shan bound, rebels nailed to conquered ground. Canaan learned the old command, Egypt returns with heavy hand. Seti I, war reborn, Egypt reclaimed by iron and storm. From delta fields to Sinai's plain, blood and bronze restored her name. The two lands stood in measured pain, victory carved in flesh and stone. He marched to Kadesh's wall, Hittite banners rose and fell. Not yet the war of total claim, but a warning struck in thunder's name. The Orontes, her chariot cry, as Egypt tested the northern sky. Amurru bent, its lords replaced, oaths were sworn or cities razed. Supply lines guarded, forts restored, an army built for endless war. Each campaign cut with careful art, control not chaos, was the start. Not blind slaughter, not reckless flame, but strategic war in Pharaoh's name. Inscription, ritual, prisoner chain, victory made eternal again. Seti I, war reborn, the blade that shaped Ramesses' storm. Before the clash of 1,000 spears, he forged the army, erased the fears. The empire rose because he came, the Iron King who lit the walls, his wars remain, each scar carved deep in living stone. Before the age of worldwide war, Seti made Egypt lethal once more. Seti I, war reborn. Seti I, war reborn. Seti I.